Hello and welcome back to Spice Box. Today on the menu is Talomein Soup. Now this soup is an Indo-Chinese veg and noodle soup that is packed with vegetables and loaded with amazing flavors. To make your Talomein soup, you will need boiled noodles, vegetable stock, cabbage, carrot, soy sauce, pepper powder, salt, sugar and cornflour. In a large pan, you can pour in the vegetable stock. Now to this, you can start adding the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt. This is exactly 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, which I have here. Sugar, half a teaspoon. Soy sauce, which is almost 2 teaspoons. Now you stir this up. You cook this on low heat. While that is boiling, I'm going to make a paste of cornflour. You can pour in the cornflour liquid. After you have added the cornflour liquid, keep stirring continuously on low heat. If you'd like, you can add some more water to this. And now you can toss in the vegetables. So I'm using cabbage leaves and carrots. Stir this up and you allow this to cook for 3 minutes. So the soup has started to simmer. Now you can add the boiled noodles to this. Stir this up and you can turn off the heat and serve this hot. So who's in for some soup? This soup works very well for both vegetarians and vegans. Go ahead and try making this one.